Hey everyone, my name's Myron, and one of my favorite jobs is flying drones. Well, I worked in a school for 20 years, and I really fell in love with doing photography and anything with videos. And the cool part was that when the technology came that everyone could buy it, I got myself a drone, and just being able to go and fly a drone and over anything I wanted to was just amazing. It's first thing to become a drone pilot, you should look into taking a course on how to become certified as a commercial pilot, or a certified pilot, I guess it's called. My favorite part about this job is just going out and finding new areas to fly my drone. And you get to see different parts of the province. You can go all over the place. The tourism industry has so many different places for you to see. If you're interested in technology and anything to do with photography, cameras, being a drone pilot is a great job. And there's opportunities for everyone to try and seek out their new adventures.